Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to make a video real briefly explaining the Subaru starting with the year 2020 and when people are actually flashing their brights at you because they think that your brights are on. The reason this happens is because these are the new LED lights, and unfortunately there is no adjusting mechanism or anything to keep them or to actually lower them. It's just their LED lights. They're phenomenally bright. They do an absolute amazing job on these country roads. These are not the brights. This would be my brights, or even brighter than my brights on my car I have back in California. This is my folks' car. Dealership told them the same thing. Unfortunately, there's no adjusting mechanism. But I just want to give this video because a lot of people will flash your brights at you, and that's happened with these new LED lights where they blind me if I'm driving up against somebody else, where it's their normal lights, and I'm like, goodness gracious, those things are bright. A little over the top. So hopefully manufacturers will see this, and hopefully there might be a mechanism where on your computer you might be able to lower that down a little bit, the intensity, so to speak. But for right now, unfortunately, they're just super bright and nothing you really can do about it. So let's see if this person flashes their brights at me here. No. So I think people are getting used to it a little bit more, but when my folks first got this car, people were flashing their brights all the time, thinking that my folks had their brights on. So hopefully that clarifies it for you. And here is the brights. You could barely see it off to the right-hand side. All right, let's try that one more time. Again, look to the right. You could barely see it. Now, if there were a bunch of trees, probably be easier, but the regular LED lights are so crazy bright that even with my brights on, it doesn't do that much of a difference. It's crazy. Now you can tell here there's some dark trees you can't see on camera. Let me turn on my brights. There you go. And off, on, off. So in the very, very far distance, oh, is that a raccoon? Whoa, what was that? That was a big old animal that ran across the road when I did that. Hit that thumbs up button if it has educated you on the reason why, and subscribe. We got a lot of awesome car videos on this channel. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.